Hi, I'm Minju. Welcome to Sharing with Muffins. Today we're making eggless muffins. It's very important to keep all your ingredients ready and also get your measuring spoons and cups. Now we're going to make the batter first. So I'm going to take 1 1/4 cups of flour. Remember, don't press it. Just shake it like this. 1 cup and 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is powdered sugar, again very important. 100 grams of soft butter. See, it's soft. 200 ml of condensed milk. And the 2 very important ingredients, baking powder and soda. Now I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I always measure like this. And half a teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. Again, measure the same way. And half a cup of water. And as always, I like to add my vanilla essence in the water. It's 1 teaspoon. This recipe is really easy. You can add any ingredient in any order, it doesn't matter. So let's beat the batter. I always like to mix it first, otherwise I'll get flour all over the place. So just mix it a bit with your hand and then we'll put it on. It's done. Please don't overbeat the batter. Everybody thinks the more you beat the batter, the softer your sponge will be, but that's not true. So you need to just make sure that your batter is uniform in consistency. See, it's quite nice, maybe slightly tight, so I might add a little bit of water. So I want that nice dropping consistency, so maybe a tablespoon or 2. So see the consistency now? It's like dropping very easily. This is perfect. It's essential to preheat our oven. So I'm going to preheat my oven for about 15 minutes at bake mode. Bake mode means that only the bottom rod is going to work, okay? And we're going to put a temperature of about 180 degrees. This is a muffin tray, and I've already lined them with the paper cup liners. You can spoon in the batter, but I'm going to use an icing bag because I find it much easier. I have my icing bag, and I'm going to turn it over like this and pop it in the glass. And I'm going to put my batter in the icing bag like this. I'm making blueberry filled and strawberry filled muffins today. So this is my blueberry filling and my strawberry filling. And I'm going to make a small hole in my icing bag like this. And I'm going to pipe in a small quantity of batter first in all of them. So let's start with the blueberry. So I'm going to put some filling in here. It's up to you how much you want to put. Try and put it in the center. And now let's go for the strawberry one. And now we're going to cover all this up. Start from the outside, then come into the center. Trust me, this is as easy as it looks. So let's just tap this to make it level. Let's bake our muffins now. So we're going to bake these for about 20 minutes. Our muffins are ready. So let's check come out clean, beautiful golden brown. Invert your muffins onto your wire rack to cool them down. So just turn them around. So take a clean cloth and just cup them up for about half an hour. While the muffins are cooling down, let's make some plain icing or glacé icing. I'm going to take about 2 cups of icing sugar. It's important to always sieve the icing sugar because they get lumps very easily. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. It's up to you how much you want to add. If you like it tangy, you can put a little bit more. Now we'll add some hot water. Icing sugar takes very little water, so be very careful of how much water you put. Start off with 1 teaspoon and mix it. If by mistake you have made it too thin, you can add some more icing sugar. You see now, it kind of runny and runs slowly. That's what we want. I've divided the mixture in 2 bowls and I'm going to add a few drops of red color. It's actually not red, it's raspberry red. Now it's up to you how much color you want to put. I don't like too much color. And a few drops of blue color in the other one. I'm going to fill the icing in my icing bags. Pretty now?